Hi, I'm Mike Nelson
And I'm Monica Nelson.
of Long & Foster Real Estate Incorporated, your Maryland and Pennsylvania realtors.
Let's take a look at this week's featured listing.
Welcome to 53 Birch Drive in Hanover, Pennsylvania. This is an updated 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, and 2 half-bathroom Colonial semi-detached home with a private backyard and 1-car garage. The kitchen has new stainless steel appliances, a gas stove, a custom backsplash, newer ceramic tile, pantry, breakfast bar, and custom lighting. The dining room has tile floors and a French door to the stamped concrete patio, which is covered with ceiling fans and custom lighting. Enjoy the private backyard with new privacy fencing and shed. Upstairs is a master suite with vaulted ceiling and large ceiling fan. There's a brand new master bathroom with custom vanity and a shower tub combo. 2 more bedrooms with ceiling fans and another full bathroom round out the second level. The fully finished basement provides a family room, den, and half bathroom. This home has so many updates that it is turnkey and move-in ready.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our contact information is below. We look forward to talking to you.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.